Hey guys, it's Court. Welcome back to my channel, and it is time for another Quaran-clean project. This project is definitely not going to be done in one day. I am just too tired to accomplish everything that needs to be accomplished, and I was going to start it earlier this week, but I absolutely did not. But this week, or this time, we are going to deep clean the kitchen. So one thing that I've been really wanting to do, because the rink is closed, is run through my routines in my socks on the kitchen floor. But to do that, I need to clean the kitchen first. So we're just gonna deep clean everything. So I'm gonna give you a before, and yeah, it's gonna be rough. I judge myself for how dirty my kitchen is, so feel free to judge me all you want. We're gonna make it better. So we've got napkins everywhere. We need to sweep and mop. I've got a Swiffer dry and wet mop. We're gonna vacuum the rugs. We need to clean off the table, the side table, the kitchen table, like seriously, a whole bunch of napkins on the floor. Just like the floor is really bad. I need to clean this area. There's a lot of crap on the toaster that needs to be cleaned. The stove needs to be cleaned. Dishes need to be put away. And then maybe also the laundry room. A lot of stuff on the floor there. Hairballs, lint balls, you know. I'm a bit of a slob. So yeah, I'm gonna start with going upstairs and grabbing the laundry because it's Sunday and Sunday is laundry day. And then probably time lapse anything because I'm gonna listen to my music and, you know, copywriting issues. So yeah, let's get started. I don't know how much I'll get done today. I said I'm really tired today and it's 6 o'clock on Sunday, and you know, we got work tomorrow, so we'll see how much gets done. But for now, we're gonna at least get started. Let's go. Progress. This counter's clean, toaster's cleaner, sink or stove, and this counter. Now let's get this side. cleaned off both of the tables. That bag needs to go out to my car. Went through the stack of mail that was on here. This book, well, not this book, but just a book, lives on my kitchen table because I read during breakfast, and it's a way to make sure I'm reading some of the books I have on hand. This one is The Queens of Animation, The Untold Story of the Women Who Transformed the World of Disney and Made Cinematic History, and it's about the women in the story department at Disney. So, nice non-fiction book. I don't think I'm going to get to the floors today, if only because it's laundry day, so I have all my line dry stuff over there, and I don't really want to move it, and I need to, get that part of the color. So we will see what happens. I haven't done the rugs yet. May or may not get to them today, but I'm going to go to Wendy's and get a Frosty, because I really want one, and then go sit down and edit the last Disney vlog from my 2018 trip, which I'm very excited that will be done, and then we can move on to one of the 4 trips I did last year. So I'm gonna go get that Frosty, and I will pick up the camera again if I do anything else with this current Quaran-clean project, which might not be until tomorrow. Later! Hey guys, it is 6:45 on Sunday the 19th, and I am going to finish cleaning the kitchen. I didn't tackle the floors at all last week, and I haven't done it at all this week, so I'm going to start the laundry, and I'm going to tackle the floors, which is going to involve vacuuming the rugs, picking up the trash. It gets blown off from that vent when the AC and the heat kicks on. So I need to sweep and mop. I have this Swiffer, which comes with wet and dry mops, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to take my duster to like the under the cabinet areas where the mop can't reach. So I will film it as much as I can, I guess. I'm gonna be running around the kitchen, and probably will end up time-lapsing it because I'm gonna be listening to music and copyright stuff. So I'm gonna get this laundry in, and then I'm gonna get started, I think, with the vacuum. better. Now I can actually do off-skates training in my kitchen, but not today. And I guess we're gonna kill a spider. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And thanks guys for coming along on this project. No idea what the next project is, but I guess we'll find out together. Bye.